Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Welcome to today's video. If you are watching this, it means you want to change your life, and I respect that. Today we are talking about something everyone needs, but very few understand: money. Money has the power to open doors, create opportunities, and completely transform your future, but only if you learn how to use it the right way. So sit back, focus, and let's begin this powerful lesson on the true power of money. Life is hard, but it's harder without money. People say money cannot buy happiness. Yes, but being broke can buy pain. Try paying bills with positivity. Try feeding your family with motivation quotes. Try surviving life with only good vibes. It doesn't work. Money won't solve all your problems, but a lack of money creates problems you never asked for. Money doesn't make you better, it makes you more of what you already are. If you are generous, money makes you more generous. If you are disciplined, money multiplies your discipline. If you are careless, money magnifies your mistakes. That's why success is not about income first. It's about mindset first. Rich mind, rich life. Poor mind, poor life, even with money. Money loves people who respect time. Money is a jealous partner. If you waste time, money leaves you. If you value time, money comes closer. Time is your first currency, money is your second. People don't get rich because they don't have dreams. They don't get rich because they waste their time. Every hour you spend scrolling, someone else is learning. Every day you procrastinate, someone else is building. And every year you wait, someone else is getting ahead. Money comes to those who create value. The world pays you for one thing: value, not age, not talent, not dreams, not intentions. If you want more money, become more valuable. Learn skills, solve problems, become irreplaceable. People who understand this become creators. People who ignore this become complainers. Money follows courage, not comfort. Comfort is the enemy of success. Every successful person has one thing in common: they did something uncomfortable. They invested when others were scared. They learned when others were lazy. They tried when others were doubting. They kept going when others quit. Success is not luck, it's courage disguised as consistency. Never beg for money, learn to attract it. When you chase money with desperation, it runs. When you chase growth, discipline, and excellence, money follows. Attract money by improving your skills, growing your discipline, mastering your emotions, staying patient, taking risks wisely. Money respects the person who respects themselves. Money buys you one thing people forget: peace of mind. Peace is priceless. Imagine sleeping without fear of bills. Imagine saying yes to opportunities instead of "I can't afford it." Imagine taking care of your parents without hesitation. Money doesn't make you a king, but it frees you from being a servant to your circumstances. Money is not everything, but money gives you the power to change everything. Money is like fire, it can warm your home or burn it down. Money gives you options, and options give you freedom. A kind person becomes more generous with money. A selfish person becomes more dangerous with money. That means one thing, work on your character harder than you work for your salary. Because when money comes, and it will, you must be ready to handle its power. Money doesn't buy happiness, but money buys freedom. The freedom to wake up without fear, the freedom to leave a toxic job, the freedom to take care of your family, the freedom to choose your path. If you don't control money, money will control you. Most people run after money. They chase it like a dog chasing a car. But successful people do something different. They attract money. Every billionaire you know today was once broke, but they refused to stay there. They believed in something. I may not have money today, but I am not poor. I am simply on the path to wealth. If you keep learning, keep working, keep improving, one day money will follow you. The world respects money. That's reality. People listen when you have money. People notice when you have money. Doors open when you have money. Let money inspire you, not to show off, but to grow, not to compete, but to elevate, not to escape life, but to build a better one. Stand up, move forward, and build a life where money works for you. Your time is coming. Keep pushing, keep believing. Your success story is being written page by page, day by day. Don't stop now.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.